Oh, he's going for the icing part. Did you just, that fell out of his mouth.
Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna give Elliot his first little baby cupcake. Okay, Elliot, that's for you. Aww. What's up? Is that yummy, Olive?
Yeah.
Maybe I should have put you in your high chair for this. Is that good? Oh, he's going for the icing part. Did you put the whole thing in your mouth?
You're so girly.
Oh, Elliot is now doing the same thing. Is that yummy?
No.
Yeah.
No.
You can have some more later, okay? We can't even see it in your hands, buddy, because you're just smushing it into your face. The whole cupcake. You took no breaks there. Did you just, that fell out of his mouth. Yep. Do you want to go get the bum wipes for Mr. Elliot? What, are you licking it off his face right now?
Yeah.
Honey, she just licked the icing off his face. Can you go get the bum wipes?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Not very happy pumpkins. Winter has arrived.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Christmas. I'm happy.
Snow. It's no bueno, it's cold. I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, bye. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
You should really get some rest, Rose. You've been up all night, waiting for me to come home when the dusk breaks like